best season is winter because I like snow. First, I can make snowmen because I can make human snowmen. For example, I can make my parents in snowmen, and I can make my friend to snowman too. And I can make my sister a very, very, very big snowman. And I can make my friend a little snow house. And I can make a little soccer ball, and I can play a soccer with my friend. Second, I can eat ice cream long time because in outside is cold. For example, in outside is temperature is minus, so ice cream is don't melt. So I can eat 1 hour's ice cream. But in summer, I buy ice cream and 1 minute later, ice cream melts. So in summer, I don't eat ice cream because ice cream melts in my hand. So my hand is sticky. Third, I can do snow fight because I can hit my friend in snowball. For example, I can make a wall and I make a snowball and shoot a snowball to my friend. And sometimes I make a big snowball and I hit my friend in big snowball. And sometimes we do 5 vs 5. Snow fight is very funny. Fourth, I can take sled because a sled is funny. For example, I get sled and go to uphill path and do sled. It is very funny. And I go uphill path, but it is turn uphill path, so it is more funny. Fifth, I can take ski because in winter a ski is best. For example, in my home, I go to ski resort is 30 minutes, so I can ski resort. I eat tteokbokki and orange, and I go in mountain and ski. It is awesome. So my best season is winter. Thank you for listening my presentation.